Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today, as you can see, we're walking around Lowe's, starting off with some flashlights and some 6-gallon air compressors. These are virtually identical to the Porter cable and the DeWalt variants. Moving on, we got some more socket displays floating around the stores. This has a nice little handy hands-on demo. You can play with the new gunmetal chrome ratchet. This is the one that's got 3 degrees of arc swing and it is 120 teeth. Although I'm not sure it's really 120. I think it's just dual pawl with 60 teeth. And we've got a 72-tooth ratchet. This one is user serviceable, unlike the gunmetal chrome one. And then down here is the good old-fashioned classic raised panel ratchet, 36 teeth, 10 degrees of arc swing. Bunch of different kits. You can see more of the 20-volt lineup is showing up in stores with batteries and chargers, jigsaws. We've got oscillating multi-tool blades, made in USA drills and impacts, other accessories, toolboxes, screwdrivers, hand tools. And this store still has a lot of the Kobalt tools left. Looking around, some other ones here from Skill and other products here coming for the holidays. And here's one of the products I saw quite a bit of, and this is the 4-tool combo kit, which is basically the cheaper drill and impact. We got some Craftsman toys, and we got this Craftsman workbench in particular caught my eye. I thought this was kind of an interesting gift. Moving on, we've got a shop vac here. This looks like it's actually from Shop Vac, and Lowe's here actually has Shop Vac bags sitting out. Some of the toolbox accessories, small toolboxes, more V20 tools, tool accessories, combo kits. There's that 4-tool combo kit again. Then we got the hands-on display here. We can look at the circular saw. It says a really cheap plastic guard on top. Moving on, the cheap drill. Not a big deal. Seems to look okay. Wish there were more lights on the battery charger or the battery indicator light. The multi-tool's got the quick release there. Be nice if these batteries actually had more than 3 lights, but it's still a big step up from the Porter cable that didn't have any. The impact here, almost the same as the Porter cable. Most of these are all the same as the Porter cable here. This light here had a really weird feeling on-off switch. The random orbital sander actually felt and looked like it'd be a decent tool. Nice if it were brushless. The jigsaw was okay. The recip saw looked okay. Quick blade change. Would have been nice to feel this with the battery on it, just to have a better sense for balance. More kits and some corded tools here. We got the 10-inch folding miter saw, identical to the one from Porter cable. Moving on here, we got toolboxes. The left here is the 3000 series toolbox. This one here actually felt really good and strong. It felt like it was well built, and the geometrics of the design helped to reinforce it and make it stronger. My only complaint is I wish there were a few other shallower drawers you could put some wrenches in. There's no power drawer in here specifically, but there is a built-in power strip on the side. On top here, we've got 4 elongated drawers. Not a bad design. Kind of like it. Just wish the drawer layout was a little bit better. Felt really sturdy and felt really good quality. Now, unlike this one here, which I thought felt very cheap and flimsy, this looks a lot like a variant that Sears had sold in store under the Craftsman brand. I think that one was made by Waterloo as well. I think this one was also made by Waterloo. But these drawer fronts here just felt really cheap, and as you go to pull the drawer open, I felt like I was going to bend or break these handles in the store. It did not give me any feeling of confidence here. And the price difference between this one and the one on the left was marginal. Here, the main drawer here, pull out, does have double slides. It's got this right on top here. Seems kind of a gimmicky cover. The one that Sears sold in the store had a little lock that would keep it from the drawer from retracting while using that. That wasn't found here. Here's a power drawer here. It's got a couple holders here for a drill and an impact. Nice little shelf to set your battery chargers on. Not a bad little deal here, except for this drawer, and this total cabinet here is really shallow. If this were 24 inches deep, I think this might be a winner if we're actually made like the one on the other side of it. And the red color on it just didn't look like the regular Craftsman red you see elsewhere. Then here's your more classic designed Craftsman tool storages here. Nothing too exciting here. These felt good and much better quality than that black and red one that I thought was pretty chintzy. We got some hats and clothing. It'll be interesting to see if Craftsman or Stanley Black & Decker rolls out some gimmicky items for the holidays like Sears has always had. We look at these hats here, hoping to find that they're made in America, but nope, they come from overseas as well. I was looking forward to some made in America clothing here, but sadly not yet. I guess we'll have to come back next time. So I hope you found this video useful and interesting, and this quick look around the store at Lowe's at Craftsman products here for the holidays. Have a great day. Bye.